So what's up guys, it's Israel here again, and today in this video I'll be explaining to you on how to become an accredited agent of CAC. Now we have a lot of problem in young lawyers who don't know how to become an accredited agent of CAC, and they have issues of which document are they supposed to file, which document are they supposed to bring, and where they are supposed to submit all those documents. So I'll take you step by step on how to become an accredited agent of CAC, everything you need to do to become an accredited agent of CAC, and now you can begin to make money as a lawyer in Nigeria. But before I take you to the site, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, switch on the notification button so that anytime I release videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. So I'll take you to the website now. pre.cac.gov.ng. Like I said before in some of my videos, I said pre-incorporation is anything you want to do before you incorporate a company, or maybe you're about to incorporate a company. But post incorporation is anything you do after you have registered a company. So to be an accredited CAC agent, you click on pre.cac.gov.ng. that's the website you go to, and then you click on register, the sign over here. So when you click on the register, two buttons will show up. Now this one, the first one says continue existing / queried registration. Now what is the essence of this one? Maybe you have started registering and probably you didn't finish, or maybe you have even finished but maybe you failed to do some things which I will inform you later in this video. That's the reason why it's become queried. So it's become queried, maybe you refused to, or you forgot to do a particular thing while you were registering. So that's why registration is always queried. Then the other thing that is there is the other column there is, it says please select if you want to be an accredited agent. Now before we go, this is where we are actually going to, because this is where we actually go to for those that are accredited agent. But however, there is another one which says authorized representative. Under that one, these authorized representatives are people that are non-lawyers, or people that are non-chartered secretaries, or people that are non-chartered accountants. But maybe you are a proprietor of a business or a director of a company and you want to register your company. This is the column for you. So if you are a non-lawyer, you are a non-chartered accountant or a non-chartered secretary, but you want to register your own company, then this column is for you. So what you do is that you put your surname, you put your first name, you put your other names. Now while you are doing this, there are certain things that are very important that you must take note. The first thing is that when you are filling this, there are some columns that have red tags on it. Those columns that have red tags on it, you must make sure you fill them, because if you fail to fill them, at the end of it, the register button will not pop up. But if you fill every information, for example, under the surname, you put your surname, you put your first name. Under other names, there is no red tag, so you can leave it. But I will advise you to put your other name there. And of course, you must put your date of birth. And I want you to know that you must be above 18 years. You must be above 18 years to be a registered CAC agent. And then, of course, you put your gender. And then you put your nationality. And then, of course, you put your gender, you put your nationality, you put your phone number there, very important. You put your email, and then of course you make sure that the two emails you put corresponds. You put your username, that's the name that you want to appear on your dashboard. Then your password must correspond with the confirmed one beside it. Then of course your occupation, whether you're a businessman. So like we said before, it is only for people who are non-lawyers, non-chartered secretary, and non-chartered accountant that have the right to register under this. Because normally, if you are a non-lawyer, if you are a non-chartered secretary, you cannot be an accredited CAC agent. That is the general rule that the law provides. However, if you are the owner of the company, you can register it yourself. So, and then of course you put your country, your state, your local government, and then of course your postal code, your city, Then of course you put your house number. Your house number, whether it's number 12. But if you don't have an house number but you have a building name, maybe Kuje house, you put the house name on it. Then of course you put the street name as well as you put the type. Under the means of identification, you put the type, whether you have your birth certificate or driver license, international passport, national ID card, or permanent voters card. Any of those information that you have, you put them, and then you put your national identification number. Like I said before, you have to be a Nigerian to register a company. So if you are a non-Nigerian and you want to register, I will advise you to get the information of a lawyer and assistance. We can assist you in getting any other information you need. So if your national identification number, you have to put it there. So if you have not gotten your national identification number, make sure you do justice to it and get it as soon as possible. But we are not going to this is not where we are doing today. What we are actually doing today is, please select if you want to be an accredited agent. Now, like I said before, you click on this button, and once you click on this button, it shows you another preface. Now, once you are showing you another preface, what you do is that under this accredited agent type, you click, because I'm a lawyer, for example, so I click Nigerian Bar Association individual because I'm registering as an individual. Then for the surname, you can put someone like Tundex. Then for first name, you can put Awolowo. Then for the other names, I said you could leave it, but you can either put David or any other name. Then for date of birth, you could put a date that is not before 18 years. So of course, like I said, you have to be 18 years before you can become an accredited agent of CAC. Then of course I put 1996, let's say June, for example, 7. Then gender, let's put female. And then of course phone number, let's put 081234567 I hope you're up to 11. 1234567 8 9 10 11. Now of course for the username, you could, and then is 202101. So like I put here, all you need to do is paste it here, and then of course your hometown, you could put any hometown in it. Let's say Ilupeju. Then of course, like I said before, your house address you have a number. If you don't have a number, you have a building name. So for my own, I will just put number 12. Make sure there is spacing, and then for the address, you could just put Isheyin Street, Oyo State. Make sure that, because we are actually building up an address, so that's why I'm just putting like that. But make sure that all this information are actually there. And then of course you could put your national identification, and then of course your national ID card number. That's your national ID card number, because I selected national ID card, so you must make sure that it is the number on your ID card that you put there, as well as in other information. If in case you don't have national ID card, then you click on save and continue. The next thing you will see, once it has been registered, like you clicked, then signature, you make sure that you put your signature there, and your signature must be in Jpeg or pen image. Your passport photograph must also either be in Jpeg or pen image. Your evidence of identification must be in PDF. Your qualifying certificate must be in PDF. Your NYSC discharge certificate exemption letter must be in PDF, and your current practicing fee receipt must be in PDF. So those are the information you need. Now, if you are saying, I don't know how to convert any product from Jpeg, from what is it to what they want, all you need to do is in Google, you just type convert from Jpeg to PDF. So then you click on the first thing you see there. So once you click on the first thing, you see there, always on type Google, then you ask you to choose the file. So you can click on it. It will go and look for the file that you want. To locate the file, for example, let's say I want to convert this particular file to PDF. All you do is click on it. Once you click on it, it will load. And then I'll be able to click on this icon. And once I click on this icon, I'll be able to convert from the image I want, from the image that it is to the image I want. So guys, so you click every of those things, then after that you proceed to payment. But because I am not registering anything new, so I'm not going to click on the payment. So if you click on the payment, if you are registering as a lawyer as an individual, you pay 5,000 naira. But if you are registering for a firm, you pay more than that. Same goes for charter secretaries. If you are registering as an individual or you are registering as a lawyer. So once you are done with it, you click confirmation, and then you click on proceed. And once you click on proceed, it takes you for confirmation. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it will have been sent to them, and within few days you have started. You get an email from CAC telling you that you have the go ahead to registrations now. So that's basically how you register and become an accredited CAC agent. So if you like this video and you want to see more of it, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click on notification button so that anytime I release videos, you'll be the first to see it.
Can anybody out there hear me?